Hi, I'm Paul Haydocy with Road Adventures, and today I'm going to show you how to extend and retract your stabilizing jacks for your Winnebago Minnie Plus. For the Minnie Plus, your stabilizing jacks are actually automated jacks. You'll find 4 buttons located on the driver's side of the trailer, 2 located at the front and 2 at the back. Each button says extend or retract. To extend or retract the jacks, simply press the corresponding button. These jacks are not weight-bearing jacks, so they are not meant to lift the tires of the trailer off the ground. You want to stop them once they hit the ground and slightly lift the trailer. Thanks for watching. To check out more how-to videos, visit our YouTube page or go to roadadventures.com and start planning your next Great American Getaway.